Synthesia.io, your AI-powered video creation companion. Gone are the days of tedious video editing and high production costs. With Synthesia.io, you can create professional, engaging videos in no time. Let's dive into what makes Synthesia.io a game-changer for content creators everywhere. First, just pick a template, type in your script, and watch as Synthesia.io's cutting-edge AI generates high-quality videos in minutes. From product demos and explainer videos to social media content and ad campaigns, Synthesia.io has got you covered. Creating AI videos with Synthesia.io is easy. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose a template that suits your needs. Customize your video with text, images, and other elements. Record your voiceover or select an AI voice. Preview your video and make any final adjustments. Publish your video and share it with your audience. And that's it. With a few simple steps, you can create professional-looking videos in no time. Remember, you can experiment with different video styles and integrations, like Vimeo. Now, let's compare AI-generated videos to traditional video creation methods. AI-powered videos offer increased speed, accuracy, and consistency, making them highly engaging and interactive. On the other hand, traditional video creation can be time-consuming, expensive, and requires extensive technical knowledge. Now, let's explore the top features of Synthesia.io that make it stand out from the rest. Feature 1, Multilingual support and AI voices. Feature 2, Customizable video elements. Feature 3, Customizable pace and style. Feature 4, Collaboration. And Feature 5, Integrations. Whether you're a freelancer, marketer, educator, or business owner, Synthesia.io is designed to meet the video creation needs of everyone. Let's examine the pros and cons of using Synthesia.io. Pros: increased accessibility, engaging and interactive learning experience, customizable video options. Cost-effective. Cons: limitations of AI technology, dependence on software algorithms. In conclusion, Synthesia.io is an innovative and valuable tool for creating engaging and interactive videos. As AI technology continues to advance, Synthesia.io is likely to become even more sophisticated and user-friendly, making it a popular choice for many video creators in the future. Thanks for watching this in-depth review of Synthesia.io. If you think this AI-powered video creation platform is right for you, why not give it a try today?